Thomas Fox here. I am testing a sound enclosure. First we're going to do blend in this blender, and then we're going to blend in this blender in the sound enclosure. And this is the decibel meter. Check, 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 check. Anyways, it works. You'll be able to let's see here. You will be able to see that as well. So we'll turn it on. We're gonna blend just what you see in here is just a good handful of spinach, a cup of frozen berries, blueberries, raspberry, blackberry, strawberries, half a banana, and a 1.5 cup of water. The other blender has the same thing. They're both Blendtec blenders, same motor. Okay, so this on smoothie doesn't really matter. Oh, this has a tamper in it, by the way. So, okay, 62, 63 decibels, 70, 74, 78, 79. I should hold it to my ears because it's a little different. You don't hold your ear, only one ear. It's about 80. Okay, let's try this again with the manual one. Okay, it's good enough. Anyway, so let's blend this here. Same smoothie in the other Blendtec blender. Okay, let's turn it on. It's on, and we're going to put, oh boy, I don't know which one is the equivalent. Yeah, I should have used the same blender, but so 65, 53. I gotta turn it up. Oh boy, this is not there. Let's do it. So 68. What is this thing picking up? It's 42 seconds. So 72, 73. Now it drops down to 58, 65. So there's like quite a bit of reduction here. You don't have to yell anymore. 65, 80. So from 82 something down to, well, in the 50s. So anyways, that's basically it. I'm Thomas Fox, sound enclosure test. This is a prototype that I am planning on making. Target price, not at Target, but the targeted retail price is $120, $125 plus shipping. This is really monstrous. This is like a 1/4 inch thick, as you can tell. And so that's a prototype. Have a very nice day.